high on the barn. Before daylight broke, I'd be out with a bucket on my arm. And the cattle would wash through the dark and the cold, with steam in their breath and ice in their coats. The snow neath my boots would glitter and squeak over bones of the buffalo buried so deep. Montana, my father gave me Montana. No matter where I go, it carries me. When I look inside, I see Montana. He took us up there where he said a man still had a chance, to the alkali flats and the mud of a hard scrabble ranch. My mother's mouth got thin and hard, and the sage grew up round the edge of the yard. I learned how to cuss and how to spit like a man. I learned the way dreams can slip through your hands. Montana, my father gave me Montana. No matter where I go, it carries me. When I look inside, I see Montana. Summers we'd wait in the ditch by the old county road, and the birds would flutter and shriek from the telephone pole. Through the wind in the cottonwoods, soft and low, we heard the ghosts of the Sioux and the Crow. So much left unsaid between father and son. We packed up and left there in '71. Montana, my father gave me Montana. No matter where I go, it carries me. When I look inside, I see Montana. My father gave me Montana, and all I am, all I'll ever be, comes from this gift he gave to me. Montana, Montana. Well, cold high mountain wind, just like some worried friend, telling me I'd better get moving. Clouds are rolling way up high, through the trees come a lonesome sigh of the mountain wind, cold high mountain wind. Aspens are turning, I think I'd better head on down and find some warmer weather. Strike a long trot to the canyon's mouth, hit the valley, gonna head her south and leave behind this cold high mountain wind. Well, I packed these hills the summer through, under skies the clearest blue, but the tears turn sharp, I feel the snow coming. I got my season's pay, I plank the doors. No use hanging around here no more in this mountain wind, cold high mountain wind. Well, I sit along the creek bank, gives a warning. Roll my bed and head out in the morning. My aching bones give me the clue. Find yourself something else to do and leave behind this cold high mountain